With this exercise, we're going to use the ball to help accentuate our posterior pelvic tilt. So you are going to take and you're going to try to move your pelvis underneath you. As you do this, what's going to happen is that ball is going to roll forward. You are going to feel like you're slouching. That's completely okay, but you should feel your abs kicking in. Your legs are just passively moving. They're there to give you balance on the floor so that you can see this from another vantage point. So if I'm sitting up nice and tall right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tuck my pelvis under, and as I do it, it's almost like I'm doing a little crunch here. I feel my abs kicking in. Now to accentuate that, what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands on our thighs and we're going to push down. So we're trying to push our thighs down to the floor. Now as I do this, I feel my abs getting stronger, and that's the purpose of using the hands here. If you feel a lot of pressure and tension up through the neck, just tuck your elbows into your side a little bit more instead of being out to the side like this, just tuck them in. So we're going to do this again. We're going to do ourselves a little bit of a pelvic tilt where we roll the ball underneath us, contracting our abs. Then we're going to push down through our hands into our thighs and hold for a few seconds. Feel our abs get nice and tight through the center, and then relax.